Biofix is engineering the change, designing machines that transform waste and drive India toward a sustainable future. Every masterpiece begins with movement. With precision cranes and expert hands, our process starts by preparing the materials that will shape sustainability. Precision bending transforms raw steel into the perfect shape for our machines. With advanced CNC laser cutting, every piece is crafted to exact dimensions. Rolling gives structure and strength, forming the perfect curves for tanks and chambers. Every hole is drilled with accuracy to ensure a seamless assembly process. Pipes and sections are trimmed with precision for perfect fitting and balance. Our lathe machines craft each part into exact shapes, from shafts to cylinders. Welding brings every part together, creating a strong, leak-proof structure built to last. Paint gives the final touch, shielding every surface from corrosion. Before delivery, every machine is tested for quality, safety, and performance, so you can trust it completely. With every dispatch, we don't just deliver a machine. We deliver a promise of cleaner cities, greener industries, and sustainable progress. At the heart of Biofix are our people, the engineers, innovators, and changemakers who build not just machines, but a movement for a greener planet.